Today I'm going to show you what the air conditioning sounds like on the Tesla Model 3 with heat pump. So we have a Tesla 2022 rear wheel drive, and so this is one of the ones with a heat pump. So let's hear what it sounds like when we turn on the air conditioning, and I'll show you what it sounds like from the inside and the outside, and I'll also give you an overview of what the air conditioning is like to use. So we'll turn on the air conditioning. You can hear that it's running. And by default, if no one's sitting in the passenger seat, the air conditioning does not go on for the passenger seat. But you can turn it on. You just tap here. You can also split the airflow by going like this, and then the airflow splits. And if you want to bring it back together, you just zoom out like that or pinch out. Same with the driver's side. And you can also control the air conditioning with the steering wheel. So you can go direct the air to my face. Oh, it says enabling face vents. Let's see if we direct the air away from the face and then we ask that question. Direct the air to my face. Direct the air to my face. It seems to say that it enables face vents, but I don't actually see the air change. Very interesting. Bit of a fail there. Turn up the air conditioning. Oh god, it just turns on the seat heaters. Probably don't want to do that today as it's very warm outside. So we might turn the heated seats back off. So you can also turn on the rear vents on the touchscreen. So now the rear vent is working, I can feel the air. And what else do we have? Let's turn on defrosting. See what that sounds like. Let's have a listen from the outside what defrosting sounds like. Thank you so much for watching this video on my Tesla. I hope you all enjoyed it, and let me know what you want to see next. If you have any questions about Tesla at all, I'm very happy to do a video and answer them while I have the car.